Hey everyone, here is my GoPro HERO11 Black. So big question is, in the year 2026, is this camera still relevant? And I definitely think it is. So here I am on the front facing camera, just waving here at the screen. As you can see, you've got the front facing screen, which is awesome if you need to be able to see what you're looking at. So a lot of GoPros, especially the older ones, they did not have this front facing screen where you can see a preview of what you're actually recording. Really comes in handy if you're doing kind of the selfie stick thing. Now, of course, with the GoPro, a lot of the same features you're gonna get. You can change a lot of the video resolution. So right now I've got it set to 1080p, 60 frames a second. You can easily go in here and change it to 4K 60 if you want to, 4K 120. You can change it to 5.3K as well. Now, the settings that will change depending on what you choose is really kind of having to do with the lens. So if you are at a higher resolution, meaning like 5K or whatever, you're gonna get more of like that fisheye lens than you will something that's more linear. So typically when it comes to recording, I'm sticking to 1080p 60 frames a second. That way I can have a nice performance out of my GoPro. I've got this little attachment on the side, which allows me to access the USB-C port on the side. So when I'm charging this, I can easily just plug in my USB-C cable here to charge my GoPro. I can transfer the data over to my computer. I highly recommend you check out the Quick app from GoPro, Q-U-I-K from GoPro. When you plug your GoPro into your MacBook or your PC, that's basically how you can transfer your videos over for editing and stuff in the future. But I'm very impressed with this camera. I've had it for years and years, and I always find myself going back to it over and over again, particularly if we're going for like B-roll or any sort of action shots like that.